Howdy folks, new project here that we're starting. This is a 2003, I think it's like a 40, maybe 41 Tiara. I'll clarify that in the next video or next segment, but anyway, whole bunch of stuff. Nice boat, well taken care of, but got some old stuff on there. So we're gonna clear off the dash, put two 16-inch Garmin displays in there. If we need to, we may need to come over to this area here to mount things, because those Garmin's are going to suck up a lot of room, but we'll find out. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what we're dealing with here. Also, this boat has an air horn on the roof, and the owner absolutely hates seeing this the way it's been done, which no fault to the people who did it. It was a real tough install. So now that we've made some changes to the roof and we routed out the roof, we're hopefully going to be able to get this in so that you don't know that there's a horn on the roof from underneath the roof. So stay tuned. Howdy folks, back on the Tiara with you. Just want to show you some of the wiring that we've removed from the back of the helm in the boat and stuff like that. We don't like to leave that stuff laying around. The helm is getting cleared off. That twin disc control's got to come out, and obviously the spotlight control's got to come out. This is what the helm is looking like now from the backside. Whoever did this wiring for this twin disc stuff did an awful job. I mean, this stuff hanging like this, come on, really? So I'm going to clean that up, and then we have some additional wiring to clean up, like that white wire there, which is actually AC wiring. They've got that going to DC. They've cut the green ground off, and that is for the air horn. Is it labeled? No. Is it fused? No. Well, hey, any 12 volts will work, right? No, not really. So anyway, this is what we're working with now. Stay tuned. We'll be back. Howdy folks, here at the bench. The owner also wanted to have the halogen lights that illuminate the back deck replaced, and what he supplied really was going to make this very nice eyelid, if you want, just look crummy. They were junky. So what we're doing is we made fascia plates to go over the large area, and we put in new LED lights into those fascia plates, color matched, glossed it, and then those are going to sit in this large area, and there's just going to be one nice plate on the top here. So again, it looks simple and it's not hard, but certainly takes some time to do it right. So stand by. Howdy folks, back with you here on the Tiara. Boy, what a mess, right? Yeah. It is a mess right now, but these are all actually the new wires that are going to be neatened up and put to where they belong. Back of the helm here. So these are all wires that need to go to new equipment, new sensors, etc. So we're taking care of that. We got maybe a little, you know, it's going to probably be a little dark down there. So we also did a couple other things on this boat. Of course, we've got the new handset down here for the ICOM radio. Also, we take notice of things that need to be changed out, like the CO sniffers. Those were original back to, I believe, 2003. So there's one here and there's one in the forward stateroom. That got replaced. You can see what we've done here in the galley area. Took the ceiling down so that we could have access to run wires. We're putting LED bulbs in all the fixtures. This boat has been very difficult to run wires for whatever reason, but we knew the hard top would be hard, but didn't know everything else would be. Replace the halogen lights, as we showed you a little bit before, the work on that in the rooftop there, the hard top. So those are in, and so we're making progress. It's taken some time on this one. But when we come back, oh, the template's been made for the new panel that'll go across the helm, and we'll cut that out. color match that, and when you come back, this will all be gone. So stay tuned. Howdy folks. Well, we're nowhere near as done yet, but you can tell that the wiring here at the helm is certainly looking probably a little bit better than it did before. Still a lot of terminations to do, so this is by no means a finished product, but you can tell we're making headway. Stand by. Howdy folks, back with you here on the Tiara. Kind of wrapping up here. I want to show you kind of how the helm turned out. Our aluminum plate that we color match and then cut out for the new gear is there. 286/16s. Well, one's an XXV, includes a sounder. Furuno Pilot controls, I believe, for the transmissions. We changed that switch that was over here for the lights, and that is now over there. Got to make a new label for that. And that's for the hardtop lights. I'll take a picture here of what's inside the helm so you can kind of see that. Inside the helm's nice and neat. Our NEMA 2000 bus is right there. Everything labeled so we know where it is. Autopilot, stereo, VHF. Everything neat, clean. We've installed a power bus right there. Again, everything labeled so we know what it is. We don't have two circuits on one circuit breaker, etc. So back of the helm is neat again. So stand by. We have our second microphone downstairs. That was something that was there previously, but it was for the old radio, so we put another one there just to kind of fill the holes. And of course program that with the MMSI. New sniffers, both aft and V-berth forward, because those had expired many years ago. So process of putting all new lights in, LEDs. We've got this area all done, waiting on a couple LED bulbs for the V-berth. And if we go up top here, you can see our lights that we put in here, our new LED lights to replace the halogens. Now the top of the hardtop roof, it's got some holes in it. It's going to be taken care of by the glass guy. But here's our new layout. All the stuff in the back is gone. Horns move forward. XM radio and weather and radar. And that's where we're at. Thank you for watching. One last thing here. We actually created in this tube, the starboard forward tube coming down from the hardtop. That's an aftermarket hardtop. That was not, I believe, an option from Tiara when this boat was made. We turned this into a wire run. So we took off the ceiling downstairs and turned this into a wire run, and made an egress up here for wires to go down. So wanted to kind of point that out. The holes in the roof will be fixed by the customer's glass guy. He knew that and approved that, so that's where we're at. So if you want to get in touch with us, George Shively, South Shore Marine Electronics. Our telephone 216-407-6553. Email South Shore Marine Electronics at oh.rr.com. Web address southshoremarineelectronics.com. Thanks for watching.